Niagara Factory Outlet Mall, Niagara Falls. Lundy's Lane in Niagara Falls, Canada is popular for its discount shopping, the most popular spot being the Canada One factory outlet at 7500 Lundy's Lane. Hotel rates in this area are budget or moderate rates, most under $100/night, but provide a convenient location for dropping off all those bags and packages after a big shopping spree. The Lundy's Lane shopping district is a 5-minute drive from the Falls and Clifton Hill or a 15-20-minute walk. Many of these hotels offer shuttle service to the falls and casino. 1. Days in Lundy's Lane, $2. Howard Johnson Express Inn, $3. Falls Manor, $4. Best Western plus Cairn Croft Hotel, $5. The Americana Waterpark Resort and Spa, $.